First, let me say congratulations on completing page 1 of your review. You should be very proud of yourself, and if you haven't already gone online and bought yourself something nice, you really should. Number 5 is another problem where we're going to have to draw the triangle out for ourselves. So I have triangle ABC, where AB is 5, AC is 6.5, and BC is 3. Don't mind all that noise in the background, kids. That's just Miss Bussian. Miss Bussian doesn't care about your geometry review, so you're going to have to work through this. Okay. Triangle XYZ, let's draw that. XY is 19.5, YZ is 15, and XZ is 9. And so, are the two triangles similar? If they are, write a congruency statement, state the theorem or postulate that proves similarity. So, let's see. All I have are sides, so I know that if they're similar, it's going to be because of side, side, side. So I'm going to compare the three sides, but I have to be very careful to compare the small side with the small side, the medium side with the medium side, and the large side with the large side. So that's how I'm going to set this up. I'm going to write out 3, 5, and 6.5 as the numerators in these ratios. And then I'm going to write out 9, 15, and 19.5 as the denominators. Each of these reduces to the same thing. If you're not sure, use your calculator. Okay, and you can use your calculator to reduce fractions. So 3 ninths is 1/3. 5 fifteenths is 1/3. 6.5 over 19.5 is 0.33333, and this button right here, we'll change that to a fraction, and look there, that's 1/3 also. So now we're going to write our congruency statement. Let me get rid of the calculator. So we have triangle, and I'll say triangle ABC is similar to. Now I have to be careful here. If I start at A, that's the vertex in between the medium and large side. So then I need to start over here at Y. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle Y. And then I went to B. That's in between the small and medium. Small and medium here is Z. And all I have left is X. And it's similar because of, we already said, side, side, side. Alright? Let's look at number 6. DB, that's what we're looking for, DB. If AD bisects CAB, so this is congruent to that. AC is 12, CD is 4, AB is 36, and the formula here, the postulate that we looked at, that we learned, the theorem that is 4 over 12 equals what we're looking for, dB over 36. Okay, 12 times 3 is 36, so 4 times 3 is, you guessed it, dB equals 12. Okay, let's take a look at number 7. In the figure below, we're given that BC and DE are parallel. AB is 1, BD is 2x plus 3, AC is x, and CE is 2. And what we learned here is that these two sides are now proportional. So 1 over 2x plus 3 equals x over 2. Cross multiply and get 2 equals 2x squared plus 3x. Some of us need to review how to solve quadratics. There's all sorts of ways you can graph them. You can use the quadratic formula. For this one, I'm going to factor. To factor it, to solve a quadratic, I'm going to set it equal to 0 first by subtracting 2 from both sides. And then I'm going to put my parentheses here. I know that this has to be 2x and that has to be x. And the second two digits you're just going to kind of have to figure out. It ends up being that that's plus 2 and this is minus 1. Set each one of these equal to 0 and x equals either 1/2 or negative 2. Because x is a length right here for AC, I know it's not negative 2, so my answer is x equals 1/2. If that just blew your mind, you should probably see your teacher and do some reviewing on how to factor or solve quadratics. There's all sorts of different ways you can do it. There's lots of videos online, and there's these things out there called books, and there's stuff in books that'll help you too. Number 8, we want to find the perimeter of DEF if the two triangles are similar. So we're going to use the similarity ratio of 10 to 6 and set that equal to 12 over EF, and we're going to set that equal to 18 over DF because we need those two lengths to find the perimeter of this triangle. So 6 times 12 is 72, divided by 10 is 7.2, so E is 7.2. 6 times 18 is 108, divided by 10 is 10.8, and then add them all up, and the perimeter here is 24. On the last one, we're looking for the value of y. What we don't have is the corresponding side. Luckily, this is a right triangle, and I know to find the missing side of a right triangle, I just do Pythagorean theorem. So that's a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and that ends up being 5. From there, it's pretty easy. It's 4 over 8 equals 5 over y, so y equals 10. Congratulations, you've now done 2 whole pages of the review.